Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well, bless the love, guys, bless the love, eh? Today birthday? Happy birthday, Samsy. Happy birthday. Yes, guys, Sam's birthday today, you know, so I'm here in Trenchtown today, you know, as you can see from the title, you know, continuing the Worship project. Go ahead, David. Josie, you have juice over there? What's Sam's right there? Yes, guys, you know we're gonna do some work today on the Worship project. You know it goes already, so they know the journey have to continue. So I guess the builder is over there. As I said, we have to get someone to come and put in some work. You know, so he's there putting in some work. So that is a great thing as well too. You know, so I don't have to be there for work to go on. Josie, come give me the juice now.
Sam!
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Happy birthday again.
Again.
You have one with your good self.
You know,
this up where you buy from Snagger Post. This up for muscles. How much him sell that for?
You know, say true, me and Snagger different to my always give me let me know the price.
Okay.
Yes.
I want to know the price.
Snagger say I have to make sure him take care of me so I can take care of the people them.
Well, I want to know the price of that.
Oh, I have to give him number.
Yeah, the pain.
And you can call him.
The pain. I want to feel the pain.
Oh, you feel the pain in your leg?
No, not 2 weeks. I said numbness. I told them, you know, when you put your hand in the ice, and then you take it out back, you feel a numbness there. That's a ritual. Listen.
So that's how you reach the baby too? Baby have foot, you know?
Wow.
She have foot too. Which one is this? Right, Bina?
no.
No what?
No.
Oh, him say a while ago? No. Today your birthday, you know, Sam's.
Damn, so what I son that hear me now, man?
So we get a ride in here, guys, from Bibi. Bibi is the juice lady here in Trenchtown. Juicy, we know here as a Bibi, aka Juicy. You know, get all different type of juice. And this is our community. J-O-B.
One Kino life in Jamaica. One Trenchtown. Yeah. Dream team will always be the dream team, no matter what.
No matter what.
Peace and love.
Every time. Psalms is always the Psalms. To them birthday, one day older. You know, a Psalms, how much baby have out here? She done a Psalms how much out here, baby? The book of Psalms, so you have every number inside of him. Right? So Psalms, you get bicycle for your birthday. Lord God, them can't hold you now, man. Baby can't find you. Soon baby can't find you. Baby, sell me a kerchief too. Soon baby can't find you. Psalms!
Give him the blue one.
Yeah, blue representing. Because you know blue have represent for our team every time.
Put it on. That look like you might get to go fat
so for the juice and for the kerchief.
Put it down.
Yeah, I'm going to go eat pure frosted flakes. I'm going to eat pure frosted flakes. And KFC and beer sitting. I go over the worship because we have built a step for him today.
Oh, today I'll build a step?
Yeah. Okay. Take a time I go and get rid of it, you know?
Man. Okay. I said to the knee, I can't manage nothing.
Young girl like her get me already, you know.
I said, Auntie, baby, not 2 weeks. Me in my house and can't come out. I tell you, so the numbness. One time, me done numb from the waist go down.
Let me give Snagger number now so you can call him.
So him can tell you what I go on. And him can give you something for you. Trust me. Maybe you need to link him as well to get something for your need too.
You know, so I see him one time I go get the ice cream them for the treat.
Oh.
And tell him say we are down here and him say I'm gonna pass through. You know, see him.
No, link him and can give you something for you. Snagger.
This is Snagger from your dance.
So it's Snagger post number is 884 8176. That's Snagger post. So man, let's link him. Let me serve it for you. Alright, then so baby, see you now a bit.
Yeah, man.
Right till you're thirsty, you drink the water there.
Now go back on the bicycle.
Birthday right done. Alright then, you're pen. Yes guys, so I'm heading over by Ocean Project now. You know what I'm saying? Boom! Dynamite! Come.
When people are the best thing that people came away with yeah, another one that you're popping out.
Yeah. Guys, so yeah man, the sun is hot today. So you know the thing goes. Guys, as I'm saying, I'm asking you guys. You want fucking road.
God bless the Lord.
Whoa! Where get material?
Yeah, man, there's something from you on the back. You know, some of them take out 2 bags of sand them done. Yeah, be a gravel left, you know. I mean, have 2 bags of sand around them, I go back, I don't see them, you know.
Jaja.
System go for stand. Me have cut 2 bags in the yard. Hey, them just throw.
I said we should have bring them in a long time.
Yeah, I don't see them. I have them upstairs, that's done.
Yes, them did there.
Yeah, yes, them done, I come back and look for them.
Gone.
We must get the sand now, we just see some Johnny, they say, you know.
Yeah.
I know I want to spread out around there still, you know. I just grab it and throw up on it, you know. Come.
Jaja.
Yeah, man, 2 bags them done from this side.
Somebody moved them man from here, so I mean, them should have taken from a long time. Yes guys, so we have 2 bags of sand missing from here. So guys, so today you know, prefect is on the road, you know, doing his hustling, and you know, boom works at school as well, to say, you know, it's back to school time now. So school time is open as well, so boom is at school as well too, and who meant to be here, they're not here today, you know. So yeah, so says the worship, are you alone around there?
Yeah, my boy right now, some soul coming and going so.
Okay. So I got one more than this, man.
Yeah, man, that I say, no part no.
Alright guys, so this is the step that we're building, you know, this is the step that's gonna be right here, you know. So this is the boarding that take place, you know, so they're gonna cast out all of this step 1, step 2, you know, So they're gonna keep that, and one step up here, one is gonna be there, one there, and another one to go inside. You know, because they definitely need a step going up. So as you can see, this is already set. You know, so slowly but surely we get in there. You know, slowly but surely we're finishing off. You know, getting this out the way. Getting this all out the way so we can, you know, so Ocean started taking time to take out some things out the yard already. As you can see, some things is start to move out the yard. So alright guys, so as what I was saying, big arm out there. Yeah, them job for the big boys. Bless him, General. Aye.
Yeah, gentleman.
Where you say a while ago? Chinese. Tell about Chinese, you know. Tell about the Chinese, them, you know. Yes, guys, so we come here to get some 2 more bag of sand. Get 2 more bag of sand because those 2 bags been missing in action. You know, it's been missing. We don't know where it gone. Sleepy. 1, 2 bag of sand and a bag of cement.
You have to go inside first.
I know, mate. Receipt? No, man.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, General. Yeah. Pia Mugo, so. Shiny. Where she go? It's shiny. I tell them, I only can get her, you know. Yeah. 2 bag of sand and a bag of and a bag of cement. Anything else you can give me for free? Buy some steel too. Of course, I'm gonna buy some steel because you will pay for it for me. Of course. Can I tell you what I want and you want to give me what I don't want so you can pay for it for me then, right? And we can call it a Chinese day. Yeah, giveaway day. What a day. What a day when the Chinese will give. 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 Hey, 2 pound of rice, chicken back, cement that, free that. What the Chinese that, give it that, give it that.
Where's the 2 bag of sand?
On cement. So anything else you can give me free after that. Right, Indian?
Of course.
We can have an Indian day?
Yes.
Free?
Yes.
So what can I get today for the Indian day? Not today.
Yes, sir.
What a day when the Indian will give. What a day when the Indian will give. Furniture, bed top, mattress, bed bottom, machine, stove, everything with the Indian them soul. Lyrics. Where you say?
No, the bag of sand is now.
Huh?
I think we'll see a bag now.
See? 6 bills for a bag. Price gone up. Sand stepping up.
You know what I'm talking about?
That's why I bring the camera for you.
Okay, now time,
Of course.
was it crazy?
Make sure we catch you off guard.
You really catch me,
Yeah, on the card. Make sure we catch you off guard, Indian. Yeah, run now. Sleepy. I'm say time for wake up and put 2 bags of sand on the thing and a bag of cement. So nobody want the receipt.
Ball, come to man set out. Dating I go on back to man.
Yeah. So Sleepy, nobody want the receipt, mate. Shiny and takes along. Indian.
Where?
Here's the receipt.
Jersey.
So I'm catch you off guard now. You can't hide. Yeah, you can't hide. Are you Mughal? Oh, you're dense type of Mughal boy, man. Nah lie. Living dead stamp of Mughal. Can you see me see Mughal? Double. Yeah.
Stamp na Mughal man.
Yeah, man.
Step on there.
Alright. See, that's why more sand in the bag. Bag not full up. What going? Eh? Put some more in that. What's the people you deal with so? We are sleepy. Are the water bowl that I give you?
Yeah.
See? Make sure I look out for you and I look out for me with the free sand. It can't drink, you know. Yeah, man, I give you something, man. You see? I give you something, so tap it up. Tap it up.
So you go school it?
Oh.
Silent.
Tap it up. Oh.
Silent.
Like that. Can put some more in a sleep, yeah. Ready now? You can't manage it. You have to try push it, let me see. Let me see if you're strong. You know, let me see how strong you is. Come. Let me see if you're strong, so. Hey, you can't watch it. Hey. Alright, sleepy. So guys, so this is the mission today. We have our chef liquor nephew, and our chef cousin here. As I said, the builder, him come and him put in him shift, you know, build up the boarding and everything already. You know, so I don't want this. So at least him never have to wait for me to get there. Him start before I came. So that is good. So we can keep it moving. Big up. The sun hot. Yeah, what chef related to? Yeah, what chef related to? Eh? What chef your name work? A cousin. Oh.
You know God.
Gat? Gat.
Drive truck. I'm a brother that. I'm a brother.
Okay.
I'm a brother.
General. Nah, yeah. Yeah, the sun is boiling today, but not lie. The sun is boiling. So boom, you done wash already? Done wash? Done wash now? You want to put on that? Extra load.
Empty bag book. How come empty bag book?
You throw it some.
Oh, yeah.
Why know that the man live up here?
Bring the shovel as well.
Why know he live up here?
Look, baby, help too. Go on with the bag. Get in the bag now. Alright, Jake. Can't bring this now, man. It's supposed to can't bring now, man.
Can't bring now, though?
Yeah.
Put them on the book. Give me back, no? Boom, take them
Pop, you know.
Boom.
Come on, sir. Boom. Boom. Olha só.
This one next bag, what me to?
And then if that's for the $40,000 he gave me towards my back to school shopping.
Oh, come, Popo, come pick up a bag of cement here. Yeah. Power Ranger, come now. A bag of cement, the Power Ranger, come. Right in the yard, so. Union Power Ranger, you know. Show them why them call the Power Ranger. I'm all the juice. Show them why them call the Power Ranger. This is why them call. Look at that. You're the one live it like it's nothing. Power Ranger. Yeah. Look there. Real power. This is why we call him Power Ranger. The man live it like two finger. Only. He's a drink Power Ranger. Oh, oh. Two finger power use a while ago. No, you want more gravel? Yeah. Oh, the gravel there running, so I bring it back come. Whoa. Take up that figure, Oshe. Bring the shovel and come. Run with it, boom. Run, whoa. Friday could have wheelie over that, you know.
Oh, my God, Vanessa?
Yeah,
You want to take a picture?
yeah, catch a wheelie. You know it's an easier way to mix them thing, yeah? Look how easy to mix. You don't realize what, boom.
No one over water, no one it's soft.
Yeah.
Put more water and take out the nigga.
But you know, so far we have mix, we never mix like this yet. Yeah, the first. And this mix easier, though, boom. Less work.
Less nasty, for some grandfather teaching to mix.
Yeah, this is easier.
Alone, mix all a big puddle and dig out the middle.
Yeah.
Show the water and take time mix out the middle.
Mix out the middle.
All this now, you can take out the whole of the middle and show the water and mix it up and
everything.
It's clean, no
yeah.
mess.
No mess.
You see?
And the easiest way ever mix something like
No
this.
hold mess. You don't let no hold mess. Not run up and down.
Yeah.
You take out hard and the soft spot, them right round. Get them hard.
Yeah. So boom, you learn something new today.
Load the bucket, pass the bucket.
Hey, bucket.
So then load out the middle now, you just make back the ring smaller. Show a little amount of water right and you know it.
I eat that, yeah.
When me alone I work, man.
That's how you do it.
So me do my thing, just make one big heap. Make a big heap and just dig out the middle. Right round.
Right round.
Every time when I'm done, I rest, soften up and just take my time go and throw till it's done. Just make it smaller and then go again.
Easiest way to work.
You catch a step on an evening now.
Yeah.
No one is softer than this.
Oh.
Yeah. So I saw it rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want it too soft than this. Too soft, it take too long to dry. You do like a step in it.
Alright.
Me. Yeah man, you got to do it.
Throw some of this, throw some water in it.
Yeah man, that's it up already.
Hey, what up already? Watch your back. Give me one more water. Yeah, take your time, move. Take the time. Shoot my first.
Yeah. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Load the back up.
On the can. I mean, bring down the can.
Want some more?
Fall, load up one.
6 up and 3 and 5.
Yeah.
Pull out all of them parts. Start stone it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Stone him and then.
Kino. No, not Kano, not yet. Not yet. You want to load up the side first.
Hold on, that's it. Bucket, man. For the next bucket. Nah, susu naman, kalau susu mo kawan-kawan. Doon sa katik mo.
Canada. Oh, now full it up, sir.
Slow then. Just come slow now.
Oh, ya kom.
Push over some of the car. Give me some.
That's it.
I'm not sure about it.
Boss said.
Oh, tawa mo boss eh. Oh, dito mo tanda pa.
Yeah, man. Some drop over that part there. You see, that's what I know?
Yeah.
That's what don't make you have to say already. Over there, so I don't want set to make. The concrete run down from round there, so you see me?
Yeah.
Kom some boss eh.
Yeah, go some boss there.
Kylo.
Show you.
Kylo.
Show you.
Kylo. Ven kan.
You can run from all of this to a step, you know? Sure. Anything run on there to a step.
A step.
Yeah.
But watch your back. Osh, mama, osh, man, osh.
Kylo, kom maar op.
Osh, man, even grillen. Run by, run. I'm full of energy, you know. Work it. Work it. Yeah. Alright. Never know you're bad, sir. Let me see. When your finger gone?
Yeah.
How happened?
Accident,
Accident.
Yeah. Oh, bad for you. Quick.
Realize you're bad when you mixing. Eh? Yeah, move like you have 10. Guys, one of his big thumb and one of his fingers gone. You know, and he's working like so. They have 10 of them. Well, I make you pass it. One mix. Where do you want to mix it?
Carry on! Big hole and the right big. So it's going to cover the hole.
Oh.
Carry on! Alright!
Let them train the boss at them. Well, I'm going to train the boss at them.
Alright. You never come back long after no. Go sit up and step over.
Okay. Yeah.
Come on, no. Look what they say.
Voilà.
Yeah.
Yeah, pass. Again. Run down there.
That's when the boss said that's when the stone them first.
Sure, fine. You put some more stone in there.
Yeah.
Put the tile on it.
Tile?
Oh, I mean that thing broke up on your water.
Can't put it on it yet.
Oh.
That's put no gravel in this.
Oh yeah, true. Now I'm going to put it.
What's your bad?
Never put no gravel in this. Should I put on the tile in my foot?
Oh.
Put a whole gravel in it.
Okay, I broke up.
Yeah. That thin set in the man. All this when it's dry.
Yeah. The dry will just drop on the pan. Drop some more stone that first now.
Yeah, I know I said go now.
Yeah man.
The stone
yeah,
in
man. Drop the stone most over here, sir, to the corner. Make the front have most of the cement, yeah. Over to the, yeah. Pack them over there, sir, right. Over there, sir, yeah, teacher. Pack them over to the corner. That's the concrete, run down on the front and form the toughness of the step. Hold on the fireball.
A mixture done?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, you put that right amount.
Man.
See some of them one bag of sand and you see me right amount. So, stand with it there when it pull off, flash up when you round it. You look to cement left. Just want to put one more mixing. One good job. Where? This one. Yeah, man, that's why we are ready to line up ourselves. See how we stay. Alright, short that. Short that in a one corner. Short that, yes. Short this. Yeah, man, one corner. 120. Yeah, next person. That's true now. Let's start from one corner, go straight over.
Yeah.
See that behind the
See
wall.
which one we want, how much more we want.
Hold on.
Look, drain out, man. When you drain out, you can use the board and rub it with
The rest of the hand again.
Yeah, man, I wait to move the shoulder.
Wait till the cure don't come out again. Yo, I'm going to country the bills to people them. Love it. There we go.
I'm not buy it. No smoke weed. You buy a frost.
Look on it. Raise up, man.
What you say? What you say? Eh? What you said? This is my little cousin. This is my little cousin here. Little cousin. By my cousin side. Ah, cool. No? This is my little cousin here by my cousin side. Big boy.
That done?
Yes, step looking good. Our chef stepping right up.
Bring some more for you.
Come here.
Get up,
Eh? Who? Oh. Alright, mixing machine. One is a real mixing machine, boy. Real mixing machine.
I got you know.
So I work myself, yo, Shaman, come in, man. You see me? Yeah. Come in. Yeah, me, I just put my do and do this like I do like come like this. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, that's the year and a half then.
A good look. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Up.
Them two, you have to make them two big. That's you can't idle up them.
Yeah.
Can't make them small. Can't stop and spin around and, you know?
Yeah, yeah. So guys, so the step have to be right over this side, you know, because the pipes them are here. So you know you can't concrete off this just in case if you need to get back there. You know, so you have to leave this space here. You know, so you could put the step all the way over here. It has to stay like off from the pipes and the drainage system. You know, so that's the reason why you see the step is a bit over to this side, because through the sewage come right underneath here and the drainage pipe come right underneath here. So you know you cannot concrete off this, you know, because just in case if you need back access to it, you know. So it is what it is, you know. So worship step, you know, that's another step complete, you know, another day, another step complete, you know. So once this is out the way now, you know, we're gonna put some tile on it as well to kind of dress off here, you know, and finish pitch and patch, you know, and then now we're gonna move on to finish to paint as well, to paint out in there. We also need to put in is tile it, you know, and the face basin as well, on the bathroom fixtures and his kitchen sink as well. So we need to get those, you know. We already have the toilet bowl already, so we're gonna need the face basin now to get the face basin, also his kitchen sink, you know, and you know the thing goes already. Gonna move on from there, you know. So our chef don't have a stove, you know, so he's gonna also need a stove. And his bed frame, you know, I think he's gonna probably only need a mattress, because he's got a good bed frame in there same way, and also a dresser drawer. This is one thing I cannot always remember, is a dresser drawer is one of those things, you know, when he can put his clothes in, you know, and then we can just get the yard cleaned up, you know, get everything outside of the yard, so we can also give him a nice house opening, you know, where time start to take out some of the things that already start to come out the yard. So little by little, you know, stuff is going to be coming out the yard, so we can have more open space, you know, to give him a nice house opening, you know. So so as you can see, you know, so our shed kitchen sink need to go in, you know, and the bathroom fixtures, you know. So we have the pitch patch left, you know, the pitch patch work left to do. So the step was one of the major, I will get the step out the way as a major work. So everything else left now is simple, does it. So we're gonna do the simple does it and get rid of everything so we can just complete this project, you know, because Chef well deserve it, you know. Well deserve it.
School, what you part of high school now, look what you coming up. The mother they what I do and the mother she run come towards me and told the mother see she.
So they want to that part?
Yeah. They watch that? No, man, that was so much of them, man.
Yeah. So the mother they part.
They got the show it off. Yeah, man. I want to see it now.
See everything I respect, you know. Yeah, man.
Yo. Hold on there. Sure. Oh.
Nah, shirt to them. See my man, them shirt.
Take up this morning. Jacket. Oh. Jacket.
Spread out that now. Wow.
Yeah. Later food to you.
Respect, man. Yeah, man. Give her thanks. Yeah, give her thanks. Yes, guys. So him just put in a strength, you know. So I have to also bless him because he never have to him come around and him see the work go on, you know, and give us strength. He be walking up and down with him, so I just give him a contribution, see him, you know. So, yeah, man, encourage him, guys. So we give thanks, you know. So I would say his work, he only got he loses big thumb on this finger, so he only have 2 fingers as well, and his right hand, no, and his left hand. Yeah, and his left hand. So we have to always give thanks to what we have as well, you know, because same work like him having more fingers, you know, and he's not. Well, guys, you know, I'm up by Kaya's, you know, Kaya's now is the last time we have come, and I got the, what do you call it, doubles. Remember the Trinidad doubles? Yeah, up here is where I come and got the doubles the last time. Up here is a nice chill spot. You can chill. Yes, sir. You can chill and all the vibes, you know, a nice environment. It's on literally on Lady Musgrave Road. You know, where you can come and all the vibes. You know, nice chill if you like the chill spot. Book hot, you know. Nice space.
Alright, Protégé and everything gone out. Yeah, man, we gotta get a nice special deal. You man, just tell me where you are. It started around $25 and then you go
And smell the rats. So yes, guys, you know, we're here at Kaya's.
We're at the Street Supply. So we're at the Dubwise Cafe, which is located inside the Kaya Herb House complex. And this, my friends, is the Street Supply. This is our local art gallery. So we distribute local artist merchandise in the form of t-shirts, whether it be your visual artist, graphic artist, or your musical artist. We do t-shirts and we do artist merchandise. Some of these are not t-shirts. Some of these are actually vinyl records. We're one of the only vinyl stores in Jamaica as it stands. We are the only store that sells brand new records, courtesy of VP Records. Once again, you guys feel free to forward in.
Yes.
We do events, we do vinyl events. The sessions are amazing. We go through all genres of music, strictly vinyl all night long, non-stop, no deviation from that. And of course, we're here to stamp Jamaican culture, reggae culture, you know. I mean, people them know say if you have a friend or a family or anybody that wants a souvenir, if you're in a Jamaica and you're leaving and you need a souvenir,
yeah.
Spot you get it from, especially a cool souvenir. We're not talking like a corny souvenir, something cool.
Yeah.
And get that. We feature artists, young artists such as Protégé, Kabaka Pyramids, your Jesse Royals, your Chronics, your Leela IKs, your Jan Nines, your Naomi Cohen. I'm just talking some of the young ones. Of course, we also have the greats like the great Bob Marley, Peter Tosh and the likes. So anything dealing with artist merchandise or local artists, design wear, the Kuyas, the I&I, your Fairy Culture, your Jamaica Nice, all of those brands are in-house with us.
So that means sooner or later it's going to feature mine as well too.
Definitely.
I'm in the music business as well too, you know, singles gonna release as well soon, so, you know, yeah, come check out the merchandise. Yeah, and I really like what I got. And I also got a friend of mine, you know, his name is Satnam. Him also love the vinyl as well too. So this is, him always come here as well too sometimes, you know, and he's doing a thing called Vinyl Sunday in Treasure Beach.
Oh, Treasure Beach. Oh, that guy.
Yes, Satnam.
I've heard of that guy.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I want to reach down there.
Yeah, so he's gonna come. He's coming down here in a week. So you know, once he's here now, we bring him come around here and can come check out what I go on and everything. You know, he's a producer from Canada as well too. So yeah, man.
I heard about that, brother.
Alright, he's good, man. It's up and running, man. And we like the spot, you know. And as I say, guys, he's also a YouTuber, do real estate.
Yeah. So the real job, the day job. My name is Rowan Scott. I'm with Keller Williams, Jamaica. I do real estate in Jamaica. If you guys are looking for an investment property, if you're looking to invest in real estate, definitely give me a call. I'd love to have that conversation with you.
So give them your contact number.
Man, it's R.O. the realtor. It's Ro the Realtor at everything. Ro the Realtor at Instagram, Ro the Realtor, Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, anything. And of course, our place is called The Street Supply.
The Street Supply.
Either one of those, you can contact me.
Alright then, so that is it, my bro. Man, we give thanks, man. I'm say we like to give a strength to our fellow brothers trying as well, you know. Yeah, man, each one help one. So that's how we look at it, the Street Supply, right there. And I also have a subscribers, man. Always watch what's
the name, you know?
Richie, always watch what's going on. I really appreciate that, you know.
Man, all the time love, you know. I just love how you always give back to the community and look out for the people that who actually need, you know.
Yes. You know the thing goes, that's what we're here for, you know, to help out each other.
Of course.
You know, it's the almighty blessing for us to always give him back.
And we receive the blessing tenfold, you know. So.
Alright, that is it, man. And also we have right here. See, we have some roots.
Yeah, man, these are the boss to the place, you know, Sata.
You say don't sit down, just Sata. That is the old time saying when you say, yo, Sata, man. You know? Back in the days when you see the original way back in the days, you know, the big book, and then say, yo, the Sata, man. You know? Not sit down, the Sata. All your own. You understand? So here we have the ital stuff as well, and smoothies and them stuff, I guess, right?
Yeah, man, and him have handcraft ice cream when he make. So he make vegan ice cream that are nut based and coconut milk based. So no dairy, no soy, no nothing like that.
Not at all like that.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, but so some of them is a coconut and cashew based, right? Yeah, and some of them is sunflower and coconut milk based.
Okay. Interesting.
Different flavors, different type of toppings.
You can get with it.
Anything you can.
So right, you're just known for the ice cream spot, right?
Yeah, ice cream spot mainly. You know, man, but we have other stuff like your comfort food, you know, comfort food, Seamus bar, and then healthy stuff. And then we're known for roots as well. Everybody always come for roots.
The roots.
Yeah, most people come.
And these are the roots right here, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. So, yeah, man. So that is it, and that is it. She just finished school. School stressing, right? School stressing.
No, it was nice. I saw my lecturers. Very nice.
Okay.
Very excited to see me all right.
What school is that?
Sherwood Teachers College.
Oh, you're going to be a teacher?
Wow.
Gosh, man.
Wow.
We need you badly, man.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming.
There's no fly well left. Don't fly well left.
But you know so that always happen?
Yeah. It's not that them have to, you know, but it's better opportunity.
Better opportunity as well too.
And I can't run them, you understand?
Yeah.
I can't run them.
Yeah, it's true because
you spend these years and invest your knowledge in a school for so long, and then you know what I mean, you come to Jamaica for Jamaica one shot change you, and the government now treat you well, you understand?
yeah, that's true. It's true.
The government now do that.
Most of them get shot.
Yeah, them always get the shot, so that's why we can't blame them when you see them get up and leave, you know?
Yeah, them more better for them.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, spirulina. Yeah, lemon ginger must. That way, to crack one of them.
You know, like one of those, let's see if I can find
So just tell them where you're located and where you are, so you know them.
82 Lady Musgrave Road, right behind Kaya, on the same compound. So you know, when you come to Dubwise Cafe, you're going to see Sweet Life, you're going to see Trinidad, you're going to see Street Supply, you're going to see Veggie Campus.
Yes.
You're going to have a
Good time. So them can get natural juice as well too.
yeah man, so you know I got the ice cream
And the
it's
ice
all natural vegan ice cream and that's what I do. Everything else on the menu is something for you to go through. So you know you have the roots,
The menu is
you have
very
the
long.
fresh drinks, you have the sea moss them, you know what I mean, some vegan pastries, blueberry cheesecake and walnut cake this week. We have sandwiches up here and then we have all of the ice cream stuff there, so try to keep your favorite flavors out there.
Okay.
And then you know stout floats, banana splits, ice cream, cookie sandwich. So it's definitely for your comfort.
Yes,
You can come forward as on Saturday, you know.
Alright. Not sit down, just come and sat and enjoy the ice cream, you know. I know what thing goes already. Alright then Sata.
Yo man, turn on them like that.
Yes, I.
Yes.
More strength. Eh? Which
You got thanks, brother. You have a on the ground tonight?
tonight?
A rubber dub Tuesday.
Rubber Dub Tuesday.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
man.
every Tuesday is Rubber Dub Tuesday.
Every Tuesday them have rubber dub Tuesday, Synergy come and do him thing.
Yeah.
Great effort and it's a great splash.
Okay.
Most of the old vintage artists and they mix it with the new young artists them.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you get a nice like a synergy, you know.
Okay,
And it
okay.
go late night,
What time till what time?
2 o'clock, so it's probably like around 9 o'clock, but the gate, the thing kicking from probably 10:30.
10:30.
Yeah, I mean, Ricky Trooper, they out there spin some selection.
Oh,
It's a classic.
The classic DJ, so
And it's every week, so it's a real treat, you know.
yeah. So I'm gonna pass through definitely then. It's
Yeah,
a
man,
must.
pass through, little more, brother.
It's a must.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
a must. You know, everything goes already. You know, Sealer. That is it. Sealer. So I love the energy. Yeah, I love the energy every time, right, sir? Alright, that is it. Man, bang, come and Sata. Sweet night.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.